What was the idea behind actually trying to put the story of someone like Gaur Haridas?
I'll tell you why you're talking to me.
Please do.
You're talking to me because there's this film that we have made called Gaur Haridastan, which means literally story of Mr. Gaur Haridas. What it's about is that at one point in Das's life, when he was around 40 years old or something happened that he was questioned who he was.
And of course, the film is timed to have an Independence Day release. What do you feel is the
What
mood
timing,
of the
eh?
Coincidence?
Fantastic timing, yeah.
No, but what is the mood of the country right now? Do you feel that we want to hear a story like this? What's the audience?
Of course. I think audience, if you give them a good story, audience is always ready to see a good story. I think that also how things should be. We should be able to, see what we want to see, wear what we want to wear, say what we want to say, listen to what we really want to listen to, be whoever is it that we want to be. And that is the freedom that I think we should seek.
I want to talk a little bit about the kind of physical transformation that you...
Not about my six-pack.
Oh,
yeah?
that as well.
I knew people will find out. Yeah, tell me.
No, look the part. I mean, you almost are a spitting image of him. It's eerie, it's uncanny. But what actually went into achieving that? Do you actually shave your head?
Yeah, every day for 2 months. So I would have a head shaving experience every day in the morning once I reach the set because it grows.
That didn't take any convincing.
No, I wanted to. You need to realize. There's one thing you need to realize. However much we sell it, that it's a sacrifice on our part. It's a great toy. For actors playing like this. It's a wonderful toy.
So does something like box office even?
After all of this, you really think I'm bothered about box office? And not just in this, you really think even in the past I've been bothered about
But it doesn't...
Though I wouldn't mind if it comes my way.